Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm your school URL, username, and password, and install the Moodle app. Next, sign in and enable biometric or 2FA if offered, because quick access saves time. Once done, sync your courses so the app lists assignments and resources. Make sure to set downloads only on Wi-Fi if you want to avoid data charges. Finally, allow notifications for deadlines. This prevents missing submissions and keeps your schedule visible. You now work inside the core tools. Open your dashboard and pin 1 to 3 priority courses so navigation is instant. Then, download readings and media for offline study. Use the app's built-in viewer to avoid format issues. When interacting with activities, tap to start quizzes, upload assignment files before due time, and use the activity stream to track submissions and grades. Make sure to refresh the course page after submitting. This confirms upload success and updates your progress. You finish by verifying every submission. Check timestamps and receipt messages so you have proof. Then review grades and feedback. Respond to comments promptly to close loops. If a page won't load or media won't play, clear the app cache and resync courses. This often fixes corrupted downloads. If that fails, reinstall the app. As a troubleshooting tip, always capture a screenshot and note the course and time before contacting your instructor. That speeds support and resolves problems faster.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.